Hi guys, so today we've got a Karcher K4. Common places where they leak from. I mean, the fault with this one is water's pissing out and it was somehow getting inside here, getting inside this white box and blowing out the top of the start cap here. The leaks actually, you can get the leaks here, just at the top here, the crack there sometimes, or the crack on the seals here. This one, it was spraying out of here, this side, and they can also leak from here as well, just at the top there. But any of these pipes, if you get a leak, what I'm going to do, I've got the new part, which is this thing here. I think you have to, there's bits in the other one, so you have to add them to it, and I think there might be some bits that go in here as well. I'm not sure yet, I'll have a look. Let's take the case off. It's, I think there's 8 Torx 15, and then these Torx, well, Allen, sorry, which is 60R for these. And you got these retaining clips as well. You have to take these out, and they can rust up. You take that out. If you disassemble it all and then rebuild it, you can obviously put your water on, turn it on, just let pressure up, and you'll see where the leak's coming from. It's all these plastic parts where the leaks tend to start. So I'm just going to change this out and hopefully fix it. But there's no turn really. I'll take the bolts off and change the part, and then I'll think, because I've got no way of holding the phone, so I'll see when I've changed it. So that's the top off. Make sure you disconnect that before. This is spring loaded at the bottom. That's the old part, so you transfer the little spring tappety things there, transfer them over to this one. Make sure there's plenty of grease in there as well, in the bottom. They tend to wash out over time. Now this just pulls off once you've got the top off. I'll just transfer them over. But like I say, you'll always get the leaks either on this, that's the top part, usually at the bottom here, or it'll finger. You not see the cracks. It's only when it's under pressure it comes out the joining gaps, or where the mould fail on the edges. Spray out. This tends to fail here as well, this bit right on the end there, but this one's not leaking yet, so that'll be the next one to do in time. So I've transferred them over, just like a plastic thing with a spring on top. There's 3 of those. Transfer them to the new one. Alright, so it's all rebuilt back up again. So I'll try it now. Alright, it's all set up now for testing. Right, it's all tested, no leaks anywhere, all sorted. There you go, it's all up and running now, no leaks.